Pranam and Naman to all the distinguished gurus and acharyas whose presence here endorses their wonderful work and service through diverse roadways. My Naman to every one of you, and to the goddess Sakshat who is present here today, the very Honorable Dr. Sandhya Purecha-ji. You see, sometimes things happen not on account of you, it happens through you. And through all the 6.5 decades, what I have awakened to is the fact that I am never me than when I exist as existence that flows through me, through the visual prayer that is dance. In fact, I'm blessed that Professor Dr. Anupam Nagarji invited me once again, to my surprise, because at the earliest, he had asked me to write an article on Savita Didi, Pujya Didi ji. And to my surprise and pleasure, he requested that I present a dance ballet based on her vision and purpose. So life has come a full circle. Last year, I did on Pujya Bapuji, the founder of the Mehta Group, and this year it is his daughter, Pujya Didi ji, whose vibrations seek to gather a form and meaning through me. I feel art is a bridging metaphor, and if the tricolor values that we seek today seeks to be endorsed, it is not only through the sons, rishis, through the very many poets and composers that our beautiful sacred terrain is blessed with, but it is also due to the luminaries and vision of the great progressive thinkers who have combated with every storm, looked the storm in the eye, moved outwards to various countries, set up sugar mills against so many challenges that they faced, and brought its sweetness to India, brought the fragrance of education to young girls to India. So it was a journey outwards to gather life and light up the ignited young Arya Kanyas that I see in front of me today. You are the light for which he has worked. So wonderful to you. My heartfelt gratitude to Anupam Nagarji for this moment. I reach out with Sarthakam. Art cannot exist in a vacuum, so I'm very much indebted, and especially when I'm doing on Dr. Savita ji, I cannot refrain or leave aside Manipuri, that was her life breath, and therefore I have gathered the synergy of Bharatanatyam and Manipuri to reach out with her vision, a vision that embraces the teachings of her father, the cradling cultural potency of all that is India, of the values of the Mahatma who sought truth as the essence of morality, morality as the substance and essence of all truth, of Vivekananda, of Buddha, of Ahimsa, of the Gita, and thus she has remained and transformed as Didi to all of us, presenting with the blessings of my Guru, the eminent Vidwan, Kalaimamani Shri T.S. Kalivelu Pillai, to all the orchestral hands that have been a part of this journey, who are in the audio recording, who are present here and vital for the dance to transform it as a visual prayer, especially Shri N.N. Shivaprasad, who has composed the music, and all the Sangat who are present. With their support and strength, I reach out with Sarthikam. Thank you.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Come, journey with me to that timeless moment when I was welcomed into the world in the cradling arms of my mother, whose lullaby awakened me to my father's vision. In fact, I awakened to my purpose that I was no illusion, but a reality who needed to process the vision of my parents in each pathway opening out as my name. Savita, the sun god. Surya, the generator, nourisher of all life poetry unfolding all around. Through each step that I sought to take, I had just one desire, to light up lives and the lives of my brethren around me, because I was Savita, Savita, the sun.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। आदिदेव नमस्तुभ्यं प्रसीदं मम भास्करम् दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकर नमस्ते आदिदेव नमस्तु प्रसीदं मम भास्करं दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकर नमस्ते आदिदेव प्रसीदं मम भास्करं दिवाकर नमस्तुभ्यं प्रभाकर नमोऽस्तु। ॐ सूर्यं सुन्दरम् अमलं त्रैलोक्य चूडामणिं त्रैलोक्य चूडामणिं त्रैलोक्य चूडामणिं.
The turning point in my life was when my parents sent me to study at Arya Kanya Mahavidyalaya in Baroda to have the cultural cradle awaken me, their daughter, to Indian culture. It is only when one awakens to life truly that education transforms from merely acquiring knowledge to fostering empathy, compassion, and critical thinking. I gathered profound insights into the intricate fabric of India and the potent plurality of cultures, emphasizing the transformative power of cultural diversity endorsed in the tricolor, caressing free skies.
जन्मभूमि 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 स्वर्ग से महान है, स्वर्ग से महान है। वन्दे माता वन्दे मातरम्।
I took over as the principal of Arya Kanya Gurukul Porbandar in 1940 with the one aim to focus on the betterment of students and education. But inside me was the need to embrace progressive ideas. Perhaps it was this that had me connect to that art transcending barriers of caste, creed, and religion as I found my true self blossom through the disciplining and visual poetry, the fluid Radha Bhav of Manipuri. I became all that I described, the duality of the goddess, merciful and merciless, surfing through the antonyms of life, enhancing the positivity vital to spread knowledge as light, and a purpose and responsibility that made it easier for me to overcome all challenges in the silent gestures, the eloquence that I found through the art.
I awakened to the vision of Mahatma Gandhi, the still sad music of humanity, ahimsa and non-violence, and the Bhagavad Gita that stirred in me a deep sense of empathy, of seeing the one in all and all in the one. I anchored in the ideals of Mahatma, the sacred Gita. I awakened to Nishkama Karma, of awakening and embracing the waiting goals with the vision inspired by Swami Vivekananda. In each idol was a saint and a mahant that had me rise above every challenge. I transformed from a name to a quality with the mantle of love. The world inspired me with the vision of every saint, and in emulating them, I became the world's elder sister. I became Didi to all.
Lokam Shokadam Cha Samastam Lokam Shokadam Cha Samastam Lokam Shokadam Cha Samastam Samsaroyam Ativa Vichitram Samsaroyam Ativa Vichitram Kasya Tvam कुहा कुतः आया तत्वं चिन्तय तदिह भादः तत्वं चिन्तय तदिह भ्रातः सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम् सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम् सत्यं शिवं सुन्दरम् नव संस्कृति के दूत बाबू देवताओं का करने कार्य नव संस्कृति के दूत बाबू देवताओं का करने कार्य मानव आत्मा को उबारने आए तुम अनिवार्य मानव आत्मा को उबारने आए तुम अनिवार्य मानव आत्मा को उबारने आए तुम अनिवार्य ये तेरी साबरमती ये तेरा पुण्य था ये तेरी साबरमती ये तेरा पुण्य था ये तेरी साबरमती ये तेरा पुण्य था हर किसी के दिल में बापू बस तेरा ही एक नाम हर किसी के दिल में बापू बस तेरा ही एक नाम किन तत्वों से गढ़ जाओगे तुम भावी मानव को किन तत्वों से गढ़ जाओगे तुम भावी मानव को किस प्रकाश से भर जाओगे इस समरोन्मुख भाव को किस प्रकाश से भर जाओगे इस समरोन्मुख भाव को किन तत्वों से गढ़ जाओगे तुम भावी मानव को किस प्रकाश से भर जाओगे इस समरोन्मुख भाव को
Rắc धन्ना ता रजोंडो ता तद्दिमे तद्दि तद्दंड रजोंडो तद्दिमे तद्दि तकजम रा तद्दि तकजम 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 तकदेको तकजम तद्दि तकदेको गडगडगडगडम तकदेको गडगडगडगडम तकदेको गडगडगडगडम तकजम तद्दि तकजम तद्दि तकजम 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 तकदेको तकजम तकदेको गडगडगडगडम तकदेको गडगडगडगडम तकदेको गडगडगडगडम तकजम तद्दि तकजम तद्दि तकजम 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 तकदेको तकजम गडगडगडगडम गडगडगडगडम गडगडगडगडम।
हर किसी के दिल में बाबू बस तेरा ही एक नाम। सत्य अहिंसा की मूरत याद तुमको हम करें, तेरी चरणों में हमेशा सर झुका के हम खड़े, तेरी चरणों में हमेशा सर झुका के हम खड़े। आत्मा की महिमा से मंडित होगी नवमानवता, प्रेम शक्ति से चीर निरस्त हो जाएगी आत्मा की महिमा से मंडित होगी नवमानवता, प्रेम शक्ति से चीर निरस्त हो जाएगी पाशवता। आत्मा की महिमा से मंडित होगी नवमानवता, प्रेम शक्ति से निरस्त हो जाएगी पाशवता। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख सारे देख करते हैं प्रणाम, हर किसी के दिल में बसे बस तेरा ही एक नाम, हर किसी के दिल में बसे बस तेरा ही।
ढंगु तक तिकु तक तंगिण तुम तत्थित तथि ढिंगु तक तत्थरि तथक तद्धंड तथक तक थित तथि ढिंगु तक धै तत्थरि तथक तद्धंड तथक धण्ण झुण्णु धिम्मित्थ तक तथक धण्ण झुण्णु धिम्मित्थ तक तथक तत्थित झुप तत्थक तत्थित झुप तत्थ तरित झुप तत्थ तद्दिं किण्णत्वं तद्दिं किण्णत् तद्दिं किण्णत्वं तद्द तरित झुम तत्थक तत्थित झुम तत्थक तरित झुम तत्थक धिं किण्णत्वं द धिं किण्णत्वं द धिं किण्णत्वं तद्द तरित झुम तत्थक तत्थित झुम तत्थक तरित झुम तत्थक धिं किण्णत्वं द धिं किण्णत्वं द धिं किण्णत्वं।
हर किसी के दिल में बसे बस तेरा ही एक नाम, क्षय नहीं जानता युग विवर्त में होगा कितना जनक्षय नहीं जानता युग विवर्त में होगा कितना जनक्षय पर मनुष्य को सत्य अहिंसा दृष्ट रहेगा निश्चय सत्यमेव जयते सत्यमेव जयते सत्यमेव जयते जो सिखाया धर्म तूने कर्म हम कैसे करें हम कसम खाते हैं तेरी राह पर ही हम चले हम कसम खाते हैं तेरी राह पर ही हम चले तेरी राह पर ही हम चले तेरी राह पर ही हम चले मम गात्राणि सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति कृष्णा 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 परित्राणाय साधूनां परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे संभवामि संभवामि युगे 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 संभवामि युगे युगे भगवद्गीता किञ्चिदधीत गङ्गाजललव कणिकापीत सुकृतपियेन मुरारिसमक्ष ह्रियते तस्य यमेन चर्चा बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बापू तुमसे सुन आत्मक तेज राशि आवा हंस उड़ते हैं रोम हर्ष से पुलकित होते हैं प्राण हंस उड़ते हैं रोम हर्ष से पुलकित होते हैं प्राण सादप सादप गरि सादप गरि गपद पद सदप गरि गप गपद पद पद सरि सदप पद सदप गप गदप गरि गरि गपद गपद दप गपद पद सरि सद सदप गपद पद रि गपद सरि गरि गप गरि सरि सद सदप गरि हर किसी के दिल में बापू बस तेरा ही एक नाम एक नाम नव संस्कृति के दूत महंत तू संत तू सत्य तू नव संस्कृति के दूत महंत तू संत
कते कुतकते दिक्कतम तद्दित जोड़तम तक जोड़तम तद्दित तंकड़ तद्दित जोड़ोतई तक जोड़ोतई तद्दित तंकड़ तद्दित जोड़ोतम तद्दित जोड़ोतई तद्दित जोड़ो तद्दित जोड़ो तद्दित जोड़ो तद्दित तंकड़ तद्दित तंकड़ गिण्णतम तक गिण्णतम तकते को गिण्णतम गिण्णतम तक गिण्णतम तकते को गिण्णतम गिण्णतम तक गिण्णतम तकते को गिण्णतम
नव संस्कृति के दूत महंत तू संत तू सत्य तू नव संस्कृति के दूत महंत तू संत तू सत्य तू ना कही बंदूक की ना कही तलवार की तेरी सत्याग्रह में बापू एक अनोखी भारती संत तू ही महंत तू संत तू ही सत्य तू संत तू ही महंत तू संत तू ही सत्य तू संत तू ही महंत तू संत तू ही सत्य तू संत तू ही महंत तू संत तू ही सत्य तू सत्यमेव जयते सत्यमेव जयते सत्यमेव जयते अनोखा संत तू, करते तुझे को हम सलाम। एक अनोखा संत तू, करते तुझको हम सलाम। करते तुझको हम सलाम, करते तुझको हम सलाम। करते तुझको हम सलाम, करते तुझको हम सलाम। करते तुझको हम सलाम, करते तुझको हम सलाम। सलाम।
Art is absolutely a form of expression, and expression is a key to understanding the world. My love for the performing arts, Manipuri, had me pursue it as I went on to becoming one of the first non-Manipuri to master the art in Imphal, aligning my desire to baptize the temple that is this sacred body through the Radha Bhav in Manipuri Ras Leelas. I awakened to the truth that we exist not as you and me, but as us in each other, in the non-duality explicit in Radhamayi Krishna and Krishnamayi Radha.
कस्तूरी तिलकम ललाटपटले वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभम। 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 नासाग्रे वरमोक्तिकं, नासाग्रे वरमोक्तिकं, करतले वेणुकरे कङ्कणम्। कस्तूरी तिलकं ललाटपटले वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभम। सर्वांगे हरिचंदनम, सर्वांगे हरिचंदनम सुललितं कंठे च मुक्तावली। सर्वांगे हरिचंदनं सुललितं कंठे च मुक्तावली। सर्वाङ्गे हरिचन्दनं सुललितं कण्ठे च मुक्तावली सर्वाङ्गे हरिचन्दनं सुललितं कण्ठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपालचूडामणि कस्तूरी तिलकं ललाटपटले वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभं 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 नासाग्देवरुमोक्तिकं करतले वेणुकरे कङ्कणम् सर्वाङ्गे हरिचन्दनं सुललितं कण्ठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपालचूडामणि 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 गोपालचूडामणि.
Life is all about doing our best, and it is doing our best in this moment that has us in the best place in the next moment. An intriguing journey that
राधा माधव जय कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज विहारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज विहारी कुंज बिहारी जय गोपी जन वल्लभ जय गिरवरधारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी.
walk into the museum in Porbandar, and perhaps you could drink in with your heart the blissful moments that accorded meaning to my life. In each collection, feel my concern, my connection with the traditional, be it through art inspired by life or life contributing to the art. Feel me in the collection of Manipuri dance costumes and in the reaching words through over 10,000 books, and behind each ornately placed decoration shrouded in sacred stillness and an eloquent silence, you could perhaps hear my anklets dance. You could yet gather me, seeking you out, not just as a number bracketed by a life cycle, but as the timeless Savita, the light lighting up life as light. Stand before my eyes, let thy glance light up my songs into a flame. Stand among thy stars and let me find kindled in their lights once again my own fire of worship. Let me find kindled in those lights once again my own fire of worship.
You know, very often as dancers, all our life we bring compositions to life whose absolute truths are as relevant today as it was then. Nityam chittasthita me pavana purapate Krishna karunya sindhu. That is what Pundanam said. Yes, the devotee is bigger than the Lord because in the devotee's heart can rest the Lord. And that is exactly what Savita Didi did. She gathered every word she heard from her father, every example he set for her, every goal that he set for her, not very explicitly, subtly. That's the way it is in our culture. We don't push the person to a temple. We have to awaken to the temple inside our heart, and then will blossom inside each ignited minds of the youth another Savita. She has to live on. She has to live on. She needs to live on in this world of breaking news, in every little Arya Kanya of this wonderful Gurukul that is set to a havan that happens every day under the Rajguru, under the teachers, acharyas, under the mentors, and the continuous cycle of artists that are brought by the provost, Professor Dr. Anupam Nagarji. It is to his credit that I am here today. I have had to work it out without sets because I have always felt that the dance does not need that. It is only a very advanced thematic production where it is very, very vital to titillate every audience today and gather them in a world that is drawing you away from culture. Whether it is, I just saw a wonderful production by Dr. Sandhya Puraichaji, where you must see it, you must promote it in a very big theatre. It was beautiful on Ahalyabai, you see. The way, it is not just dance, nah. It is not to tickle your senses that so many aspects she brought together, the threads of it. But why do we do it as artists? Are we mad? Are we crazy to do all this. And that also at the end of it, we wonder when the rehearsals, everything goes against the dance teacher today. Be it the academic pressures of the children, they don't enjoy studies anymore. They study in units and forget in units. We never did that. We had the whole portion for us. We lived at a time, I think I was born in 1954, and I awakened to culture as the Vyayam Shala, the Bengal Club, the wonderful Vanita Samaj, the Chabildas School, where I saw wonderful Durga Jali Gauri, I saw dramas. We grew up in that. There was no distinction between arts and arts and arts and groups within groups. We enjoyed dance as a prayer. And that is very important. Look at her. She danced not because she wanted to show off with it. She wanted to come alive with it, because through it she gathered an empathy that gave her meaning, that helped her connect to everyone and do her role as light, lighting up paths. Thank you so much, Radhe Radhe. I think you need to give a very big round of applause to, you see, it is not easy to have Manipuri, to work into the threads, and I had to have the dancers soften their footwork to match, because we are not competing with each other. We are dancing into each other as us. So kudos to these disciples, senior disciples and the micro disciples, because sometimes when a theme comes in, I'm telling you frankly, I don't get the senior students because they're all busy with entrances and exams. Then you have to make do. But then, who says that there is no perfection in little children? If a heartbeat can keep us connected, Laya came from the Alaya. And inside all of them is the promise that I can give this wonderful chairman here, many of the students who can connect to the university, the Bharata College, wonderful work that they are doing with the outreach, Dr. Swapna Kalpa Dasgupta with the NCPA. Pranam to you, ma'am, and Scale Great Heights. We are so privileged that you are Mumbai's very own light.